Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, July 13, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 12, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.175. In this period the stock has had a loss of -0.21%. This is an average return of -0.10% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF price ended on $285.65 on Wednesday after losing 0.21%. The QQQ ETF price fell by -0.21% on the last day, Wednesday, July 13, 2022, from $286.24 to $285.65, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the ETF fluctuated 2.87% from a day low at $280.02 to a day high of $288.05. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.74% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 17 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 73 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $20.85 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $269.28. Right now the price is 30.11%, or $123.06, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -14.18% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -22.66% and -10.29%. The 12-month trend indicates a -20.35% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -26.04% and -1.18%. This equals a price between $211.27 and $282.28 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has risen 5.25%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $289.57 and $291.37. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 74 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 121 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $282.80, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved $8.03, 2.87%, between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 2.26%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.83. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $291.84. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $282.80, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 14th, we expect QQQ to open down negative $1.08 and start trading at $284.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.